Good morning. Welcome to Nifty Prediction. My name is Narendran. This video is only for education and learning purpose. If you want to buy anything, please consult with your financial planners before buying. Let's go to the prediction for Monday. The data is showing uh, three bearish indicators with one evenly poised indicator and with one bullish warning signal. So, how we need to trade on this kind of day? The evenly poised rule, whenever it comes with evenly poised, we knew that the basic rule for the evenly poised is 33.33% rule, which means all three directions having equal chances to go with 33.33. We can't easily predict the market, so must have to trade with a cautious note on this kind of day, because easily it can eat your money and you might go in a big loss. So trade safe on these kind of evenly positive, but we have three bearish with one bullish warning signal, which means it is still has potential to go positive as well, and on the both directions it is indicating. So the hedging method is preferred to go on these kind of days, but on Friday, we had one new target opened. I will explain you later how this target has opened 17,162. So the weekly also having both sides with 17,814 on the positive, then 18,24, then on the downside 17,162. So Nifty still has both side scenarios. And the same time, evenly poised is also indicating the warning signal with one bullish. So all three directions is possible. So play cautiously. That is what the data is showing. But still, we can play with the as per the support and resistance levels. Uh, Previous closing is there in the range of 17,412, but we had on the downside 17,160 range target and 17,800 is on the positive. So which means quite evenly poised on the both sides. So we need to play with a cautious note on Monday, but anything above the volatile level one, which is 17,371 above, if Nifty is pre-opening is there, means Nifty is still in the bullish zone. But anything below the volatile 2, which is 167.17 to 45 below, then only Nifty is in the bearish zone. Anything in between, it is in the volatile zone. But still, volatile zone stop loss for the bearish plus 10 points. If it is not breaking from this key level 17,392, then Nifty has potential to fall down heavily, and the negative average is also quite heavy, 17,4 sorry, 1747. So which is 365 points, which is in the downside good number. So we need to play if this particular uh, level plus 10 points is not breaking on the high, then you can go one hero zero in the put option side. But at the same time, if Nifty is struggling to break downside with this key point, the pivot level, if Nifty is struggling to break these two with minus 10 points, then Nifty has potential to recover, because as per the basic rule, pivot level, anything above the pivot level, Nifty will always try to go up. Anything below the pivot level, Nifty always try to go down. So these two levels, minus 10 points, if it is not breaking the low, then Nifty has potential to recover. But at the same time, the same level can be treated as a resistance level. Plus 10 points, if it is not breaking on the high, then Nifty has potential to fall down as well. So these are all the key points which we need to watch out on the Monday pre-opening as well. On the other hand, volatile stop loss for the bullish, this key level minus 10 points if it is not breaking. So Nifty has potential to recover once again. Positive average we are having at decent number 149, 17,562, but the downside is having little heavier. But as per this particular bullish warning signal, what happens is 80% of the time we saw whenever the bullish morning signal comes means Nifty will go towards to certain level, then after that it has potential to fall down heavily. So this is how the method on the bullish morning signal we have saw. It might be a fake up, but right now the SGS Nifty is showing kind of a negative pre-opening around 90 points. So from this level, how we need to trade? It still has potential to recover from minus 90 to some flat level. Then once again, it might go fall down towards to this 17,162, then followed by 17,91 or even below, because the negative average is there around 365 points on the downside, which is a big number. So play safe. And these kind of evenly poised day small traders better avoid trading on this kind of day, but with the hero zero you can trade with the hero zero. That is a call which we are giving. You need to play cautiously only with hero zero. On the other data which shows that par value, which is big number 16,535, anything above this level pre-opening, which is going to be definitely above this level, if you will try to recover, that is what it shows. But still the numbers are not up to the mark on the positive side, but it is still showing uh, 324 points on the bullish side is still possible. So that is one more reason we are asking to go for a hedging method on this kind of evenly poised day, which will be safe to you to trade, because we may not know whether it is going to downside 2000 points or whether it is going to go up 300 points positive. So it is very tough day, but there is a potential to go big numbers, which is going to be freeze the market. The market might still have the potential to go bizarre negative and freeze the market. It is not certain to happen, but there is a possibility to happen. That is the indicator which shows. So you need to keep at least one small P in hand, even like 5.00, which is going to be a risk of 250 rupees. Even it is going to be zero, that is fine. You must have to carry a small hero zero in the put option. Why? Because the numbers are very big, around 2000 points. Whether it is going to fall and freeze, then again it will open and fall down heavier, we may not know, but there is a potential to go around 15,333. The decision, I mean, these are numbers are not surety to happen, but there is a potential to go down bizarre like anything. So keep one small hero zero, that is what the data is showing. But on the other data which shows that anything um, above which trading these numbers, which is huge, 16,736 above, Nifty will always try to come up, but it is not going to be in the positive. It will still has potential to close in the negative only, like that it is showing. It might be 124, 93, 62, 31, or even 338. So play safe on these kind of days. It is not going to be easy to trade. Why? Because we have both side targets in hand for the weekly as well. So the tough fight between the positive and the negative is there. So it is not going to be easy to trade. So play, if you are a bearish trader, focus on 17,162, then 1791, then followed by 16,912 with the heroes. If you are a bullish trader, you can focus on 17,814 and 18,024 with the hero zero on the call option. So you must have to go only with hero zero. You can't go with a single side. Even 200 300 points, it still has potential to go loss. If you are go for a big numbers, you must have to go with the hedging method. For example, if you are buying 100 points, you must have to go with the hedging method both side. So which means if it is goes bizarre bearish, one side will go loss 80 points, that is fine. Another side it will go 250. So which means you are gaining 150 points, and here you are losing 680 points loss. So indirectly you are gaining 70 points. So which means minimum 3,500 profit is available for you. So the hedging method, call option and put option must have to be in the combination for Monday if you want to. So if you want to play safe, better go with the hedging method. Call option 100 points and put option 100 points, both sides with the hedging method, which will be a freedom for you because we may not know whether it is going to go towards to 17,800 or 17,162. So which will become a headache for us to go single side. If you go single side, you must have to treat as a hero zero, but must have to keep small put option. As I told earlier, on Monday, it is kind of uh, a once in a lifetime kind of a day. Whether if it is goes fall down heavily like 1,000 points, 2,000 points, we may not know, but there is a potential. So one small hero or zero must have to keep. Whether it is going to give success or failure, that is irrelevant. You must have to go small hero or zero always in, and minimum 5 points. Up to your risk appetite, you can go any numbers, but minimum 5.00 minimum have to keep, so that uh, rupees 250 is the maximum risk you're going to take. It might give you ample amount of profit if unexpected bearish is going. Other than that, you must have to go with the hedging method to play safe. Let's go to the yesterday data, how it has closed. So yesterday the low is at 17,324 and high is around 17,451. So 451, which is matching in this particular data, plus 10 points from that particular level. 17,545 plus 10 points gives you 17,555. So the high is not matching. I mean, I is not broken that key level. So Nifty has started to. Sorry, I have wrongly mentioned that it is 17,451. 17,451 means it is matching here in this level. 17,448 plus 10 points here in this particular level, matching 17,448 and 17,451. In this particular level, 10 points, it's not broken. So Nifty started to fall down, but why the new target has opened, which is the key level 17,336 minus 10 points. 17,336 minus 10 points gives you 17,326.31. So which is broken the low. So the low is broken that key level. So once this key level broken means next target automatically get open. That is how we got the new downside target 17,162. I have uploaded in the YouTube message as well about the target, so you can also see the message board. I have specifically mentioned about the target here. So new target has opened. I have mentioned yesterday itself as well, 17,162. So you can follow our video. You can follow the new target to downside opened as well. So that is how we are finding the lower side target, which is available as well. So that is how we found the target, because whenever the lower side is breaking, then the next target will automatically get open. So the low is broken. So 17,324, 17,326 the low which is broken, so the new target has opened. So that is how we found the new target, and our method is unique and it is always happening the same. So we found the new target with our unique method. So that is the reason we are asking to play safe. We still has potential to go even beyond this 17,162. It has potential to go 17,91 and even 16,912 as well. So on Monday you must have to keep with the one put option. And let's go to the summary for the day. Monday the data is showing one indicator evenly poised, which means 33.33% chances on all three directions, and one bullish warning signal is also there, and we have downside target 17162, and as well as the old positive side target is also having. Positive side is good decent number 149, but the negative side is having bigger number 365. So play safe with the hedging method. One put option always keeping in hand 1747, focusing on the downside. As at the same time, this 17162 on the downside target as well. And then followed by the CPR. This is the key level. CPR is actually showing bullish indicator, but the flat CPR indicates the Nifty is potentially go towards to trending irrespective of the side. So flat CPR rule is it is having potential to go trending day 80% of the time. So which means trending day means it might be go 200 to 300 400 points, whether it is going to high on the positive or low on the negative. So that we may not know, but it still has potential to go trending day. So that is what this flat CPR is indicating. But as per normal CPR, which shows it is still bullish, that is the reason you must have to go with the hedging method to play safe. And as per our evenly poised rule, small and safe traders strictly stay away from the market except Euro 0. Euro 0 is fine, minimum 10 points both side if you are buying for the specifically small and safe traders. If you're buying this kind of a small uh, call option as well as put option, if you're buying means that is fine, but bigger number you need not to go because it can easily eat your money if the Nifty is trading just flattish kind of day. So that is where and today must have to go with the edging method. Bullish warning signal came, that is one of the reason. At the same time, the downside target both are in hand. So play safe. Let's see how the market is going to give us on Monday. Thank you.